Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. This justifies a lot of things I've been saying that when it comes to the development of a state, federal government contributes a lot and they can sabotage a lot of things, but it's 50-50. If the people want to develop their area, if the state want to develop, their territory, they can also do that. A lot of people have been complaining about lack of flight from international flight to say from the southeast to other nations. And it is only Ethiopia Airline before today that was going to so many places from Enugu. And I think it's not frequent. And also in Port Harcourt, Qatar Airline can also move from there to different parts of the world, but it's not frequent. So the news of airpeace flying from Chinua Achebe International Airport, Umueri in Anambra State, to Gatwick Airport in London is a very good news. Yes, it's a very good news because if you have been to so many countries, you will realize that Igbos do travel. Igbos do travel. When I mean they do travel, there is no place you will get to in the part of the world that you won't find them. Botswana, all these African countries, you go to, is it South Korea? Yes, I think it's South Korea. North Korea is no-go area. And so many people, even in that North Korea, you will still see Igbos there, anywhere at all. So they are travelers and they are importers and exporters. Now, this is what I am trying to say here. If Igbos have this international flight moving from Anambra State to London, it is going to help a lot because it will save you time and money of traveling down to Lagos to board your flight before you going to where you are going. And if Airpeace will be able to also do like a transit flight for other states in the southeast, even though in the north as well, this is business. So maybe they will pick people from Imo State, they'll drop them in Anambra, pick people from different part of the country. You move from there. That will also bring businesses because when the airport is becoming busy, it will bring business, it will bring employment, it will bring a lot of things to the state. And that is what I'm encouraging so many people. Go back to your state and invest. It is good to invest in abroad. It is good to invest in anywhere you want to invest, depending on your business. Nobody's arguing or dictating for you where you are going to invest your business. But what I'm trying to say is that it is important you invest in your home. It is very important. If you did not invest in your home, anything that happens, you are going to lose a lot. When my dad was alive, he always tell me how he lost his property after the war because some of his properties were not at home. I mean, his state and where he came from, your community. And let me say your federal constituency, maybe not your community, precisely, but neighboring communities, your community around there. So far, you are investing in a place that speaks your language. It is very important. This has nothing to do with tribalism or trying to abstain from investing in other people's place. No, it is important to invest your home. It is important to develop your home because charity begins at home. Anything can happen to you outside. Now, I know that there are a lot of challenges when you want to break through. You saw how Ed Peace, fought. He fought so hard to make sure he attained the level he is today. Even the Buhari administration fought him. They wanted to stop him. There is nothing they did not do against that man. Oh. Not only that, I saw a lot of Igbos. Igbos, as I said before, they are importers and exporters. A lot of them who wish they have even seaport in Anambra, in Abia, international seaport, where their cargo will just move and land there. Before this, is it Ibeto? Who was that again? This Port Harcourt seaport. I'm forgetting it. If you remember, you type it on the comment section, but I will remember it because I've done video about that. So in that seaport, it started when they commissioned it. But after some time, they said they are using the seaport to import something and they restricted it to minimum imports. So it's only few things that are coming there. So everything is just centralized in Lagos and it's not fair. I am saying it is not fair. When you go to Porto Novo, very small country, I mean Benin Republic, as small as it is, they have two seaports functioning well. So Lagos is not only a place that's supposed to have seaport. What happens to Calabar? What happens to Warri? What happens to Port Harcourt? Even Anambra, ship can move straight and come to Anambra. There is a very big sea that it can pass to Anambra State. Don't tell me that. So many countries of the world, they have more. They decentralize their seaport and everything. Lagos is congested. because of the revenue Lagos State is having there. Tinubu and all those APC, they will always be lobbying to make sure other areas will not work. But I'm telling you, as an Igbo man, as a Delta man, as a Dome man, Benue man, do everything possible to invest in your state, make your state work. So I am proud of I said Innocent, what is it called? And then Onyema, I'm also proud of Innocent, okay? Innocent, if Innocent want to take his company to Lagos State, he would have done that. But Innocent is progressing where he is. He's progressing. And that is why I also encourage Igbos. Patronize your own. This has nothing to do with tribalism or all those things. Patronize your own because it is still your brother they will employ in those companies. It is still, when they progress, you progress. It's all about that. So I am encouraging people from the southeast. So there is no need for you to go to far place to board your flight to London. I wish I'm living in abroad and I'm living in London now. Maybe I have been lucky to be boarding AP straight to London. It's a good thing. So please kindly patronize APs, kindly patronize innocent motors and any other indigenous motors. Patronize them. Any indigenous business, patronize them. Even Erisco Tomato, patronize them. Anybody at all, no matter what they are selling, patronize them. Patronize them more than how you will patronize the foreign goods because the issue there is that if you patronize something that doesn't look good, there is a place for review. You encourage them to improve it. If you drive a innocent vehicle that there is a problem, go to him and explain. Put your review down. All these companies you are seeing from around the country, the Volkswagen, the Golf, when they started, they require a lot of vehicles because of bad reviews. So don't say, oh, because of what they are doing, the motor is not that good enough. So don't use because of maybe bad review or maybe you flew Epis once and then you had a delay or you had a problem. You understand. Don't say because of that you don't want to patronize Epis again. No. Always bring your review to the appropriate authority. That is how to help your indigenous people. A Chinese man will not use because maybe his vehicle or something is bad, and because of that he will say, "I will not patronize my own." They will make sure that their own they will help them to put it in a better shape. So if because of bad review you did not patronize Innocent, because of bad review you did not patronize Anden Oyema, tell me how are they going to improve? Maybe what they are rendering, they thought that is the best. Not that they cannot do a better one, but they thought that that is the best. But because of your honest review, don't always come to social media to criticize them that I won't fly Innocent again, I won't fly Epis again, I won't drive Innocent. No, always put your review in appropriate way where they can see it. They will see that this is a constructive review that is posed to make us correct our wrongdoings or the mistakes we made in our production or during rendering our services. So I am begging you. I'm begging you for the first. That is the first thing I'm begging you people. So anyone living in the southeast, south, if Anambra is more closer to you than Lagos and Abuja, always move from what is it called, from Anambra to anywhere you are going. And for those people who would love to use connecting flights, you can also fly a piece to London. You connect your flights to where you are going to. So patronize Airpeace. Thank you so much.